Welcome. In today's fast-paced world, manufacturing companies face a dual challenge, keeping up with digital transformation while embracing green sustainability. The user acceptance model is here to help your company navigate this journey. Developed by B2 Greene Hub, under the project Greene 4.0, the user acceptance model is designed to support your growth, allowing you to stay competitive and meet growing demands for eco-friendly production. The user acceptance model was designed for aspiring manufacturing companies looking to step out of the box and onto the digital and green transition journey. It's intended for startups, SMEs, and mid-caps who are working in the following 7 sectors: electronics, pharmaceutical and chemical, building materials and furniture, plastics and rubber machinery and equipment, metal, food and beverage. Using UAM offers your company a range of valuable benefits. With UAM, you will gain insight into current performance, allowing you to reflect on your existing processes and identify areas for improvement. UAM also helps you explore new technologies and business models, ensuring your company remains adaptable in the fast-changing world of manufacturing. Finally, it helps you prioritize high-impact initiatives, so your business focuses on what truly drives growth and efficiency. Let's walk through the steps to kickstart your sustainability journey with our platform. First, join our community by sharing your company information. You can easily apply or scan the QR code to get started. Next, assess your company's readiness for digital and green initiatives in collaboration with one of our Greene 4.0 facilitators. This step will give you insights by comparing with peers in your sector. Receive personalized guidance and support from a dedicated account manager who'll help you identify and scale sustainable solutions. Connect with a broad network of like-minded companies, experts, and policymakers, creating valuable partnerships. Explore our range of services, like expert support in digital and green technologies, funding opportunities, and access to advanced testing facilities. Stay updated with innovation and best practices, learning from industry leaders to stay competitive in green initiatives. Finally, continuously evaluate the impact of your strategies to stay at the forefront of sustainability. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to lead in sustainable business practices and make a positive impact. Who we are? We're a powerhouse alliance of 106 leading institutions in Europe, supported by a diverse team of more than 150 business experts and more than 200 technical wizards, pooling our talents across 7 groundbreaking EU projects valued at an impressive €14.8 million. From esteemed universities to vibrant research centres and private advisory and project writing firms, our network offers diverse expertise to support your green initiatives. Picture us as your trusted ally, guiding you through the complexities of green regulations and embracing a holistic approach to your company's green transition. Join us today, and together, let's navigate this journey, transforming compliance challenges into opportunities for growth and leadership in sustainability. Now is the time to start your company's transformation. Take the first step by using UAM to evaluate your digital and green maturity. Join the many companies already benefiting from UAM and set yourself on the path to sustainable growth and efficiency.